Let's face it, people think living alone sucks. If only they knew. Hey there, my fellow solo adventurers. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll invite you to try a bulletproof method to know if you're made for this lifestyle. I've been living alone by choice for over 20 years, and counting, and I love it. It's truly been one of the best decisions of my life. So I can confidently say that I know a thing or two about the highs and lows of this awesome way of living. Let's dive head first into a bulletproof method to check if the solo life was made for you. Let's see together how you can know if you are able to manage the solo living. All right, you solo warriors, listen up. Here's the deal. Prepare yourself for this challenge. Resist the urge to share your home with a partner or a roomie for a while to test yourself and this lifestyle. Start small. Live alone for 3 months to begin with. Extend it to 6 months if you feel like you are getting the gist of it. Feeling adventurous? Level up and go for a full year of solo glory. And for the bravest of you out there, conquer the ultimate boss battle. 2 years of unadulterated solo adventure. But you may think, why to accept this challenge? It seems rather difficult. Well, here's my answer. Because you probably don't know it yet, but your solo time is pure gold in disguise. It's a unique chance to 1. Get to know yourself like never before. 2. Reshape your mindset into that of someone who lives life on their own terms. 3. Retrain your attention to focus on yourself. 4. Improve your self-image as a capable and independent person. 5. Reinvent yourself into the superhero you always knew you could be. And 6. Craft the life of your dreams from scratch. If you were thinking about trying the solo waters, this is your channel. I'll give you invaluable tips and tricks along the way. Ready to take on the challenge? Let's do this. But remember, if at the end you realize the solo living is not for you, no worries. There are lots of solutions if you don't feel comfortable with being on your own most of the time. But rest assured, in your time spent living alone, you will have learned invaluable lessons about yourself and improved your self-esteem as the conqueror of your own lifestyle. If you are up for this challenge, share it in the comments below. I'll be glad to know. Remember, solo living isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving and living your best, awesome life. So go ahead, embrace the solo adventure, and let's make every moment count. If you liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with our solo squad, and hit subscribe for more epic solo tips. Gear up for that solo dream.